Have you ever wondered why a well-structured PhD synopsis is crucial in the academic world? It's more than just a summary. It's a roadmap, providing a clear view of your research goals, the methodology you'll employ, and the outcomes you anticipate. This well-crafted guide sets the stage for a successful PhD journey, painting a vivid picture of the scholarly contribution you aim to make. Remember, a compelling synopsis is key to securing approval and attracting the attention of potential supervisors. Crafting an impactful PhD synopsis involves a series of well-defined steps. It starts with defining the central theme of your research, aligning it with your academic interests and expertise. A focused, manageable scope that offers potential for significant contribution is key. Next, immerse yourself in a thorough literature review. Dive into relevant journal articles, books, and conference proceedings to understand the current state of knowledge, spot gaps in the field, and position your research accordingly. Then, articulate a specific problem or question that your research aims to address. This should be a significant issue that previous research hasn't sufficiently tackled. Establishing clear, smart research objectives is the next step. These should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Outline your research methodology, describing the methods and techniques you'll employ. Finally, anticipate and project the potential outcomes of your research, including key findings and contributions to knowledge. Each step in the process plays a critical role in shaping a compelling PhD synopsis. Once you have drafted your PhD synopsis, it's time to refine and polish it. Now this is where the magic truly happens. You've poured your ideas onto paper, but there's more to be done. It's time to seek feedback, and who better to provide it than your supervisor or potential supervisors? Their insights will help you fine-tune your synopsis, ensuring it's clear, concise, and persuasive. But don't stop there. Even the best ideas can be overlooked if they're not communicated effectively. This is where proofreading and editing come in. Go through your synopsis with a fine-tooth comb, checking for any grammatical errors or inconsistencies. Make sure your language is clear, precise, and professional. Remember, you're not just presenting research, you're telling a story, your story. And finally, when you're satisfied that your synopsis is the best it can be, submit it. With a well-structured, thoroughly reviewed and polished synopsis, you are ready to make a compelling case for your research. And that wraps up our guide on crafting, refining, and polishing a compelling PhD synopsis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your fellow researchers. It's through sharing our knowledge and experiences that we can all grow and improve. And if you're looking for more academic tips and guides like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We continually update our content with valuable insights to support your academic journey. So click that subscribe button and join our community of scholars. Remember, knowledge shared is knowledge multiplied. Happy researching!